Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing Chrome and confirming basic requirements. Make sure Chrome is current and you're signed into a Google account. This avoids permission prompts. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store and search for SelectorHub. This is the fastest official route. If you prefer manual install, download the unpacked extension folder from the provider and keep it ready. Now open Chrome, / extensions to proceed immediately. Do not pause. The next steps, attach the extension to your browser. Click Add to Chrome and accept the requested permissions. This installs SelectorHub into your profile. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and click the icon to open the panel. If you used an unpacked folder, toggle Developer Mode in Chrome, / extensions and choose Load Unpacked, then select the extension folder. Make sure the extension is switched on, otherwise it won't inject into DevTools. After enabling, reload any active tabs to let the extension attach to pages. Open DevTools with F12 and choose the SelectorHub tab. It initializes when DevTools loads, so make sure DevTools is opened after installation. Configure preferences like suggestion behavior, XPath strategy, and recording options to match your workflow. If SelectorHub doesn't appear, reload the page and reopen DevTools. Make sure no other extension blocks DevTools panels. As a final troubleshooting tip, disable other extensions and reinstall SelectorHub. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.